Last time, we built an agent that could do math, but ask it anything else, and it stuck. Today, we fix that by giving it more tools. And to do that, you need to understand exactly how an LLM calls a function. Quick recap. Last episode, our agent had one tool, a calculator. It worked, but I glossed over how the model actually decides to call it. That's what we're breaking down today. By the end, you'll understand tool use well enough to add any tool you want. Here's the part most people skip. The LLM never actually runs your code. It can't. All it does is look at your message, look at the list of tools you gave it, and respond with, "I want to call this tool," with these arguments. That's it. That's the whole magic trick. Your Python code is the one that actually executes the function. The model just tells you what to run and with what input in a structured JSON format. Then you take that result, hand it back to the model, and it uses that to write the final answer. This request-response cycle can happen once or many times in a row. That's the loop from last episode. This is exactly what that looked like in our code last time. See this? The model literally requested calculator with the input 23 times 7 plus 1. Our code read this, ran it, and sent the answer back. Let's prove this works by adding a second tool. I'll keep it simple. No external AP is, so you can copy this immediately. This function just returns the current time. Now the important part, we add it to our tools list right next to the calculator. Same structure, name, description, input schema. And in our loop, we just add one more if. If the model asks for get_current_time, we run this function instead. That's genuinely it. No framework, no extra library. The model automatically figures out which tool fits the question. We don't tell it which one to use. Watch closely. Same agent, two totally different questions. And look, it picks the calculator for the math question and the time tool for the other one. Nobody told it which tool to use. It read the descriptions and decided. Full code's on GitHub, link in the description. Next episode, we go deeper into the loop itself, how an agent can call multiple tools in a row to solve one complex question. Subscribe so you don't miss it. See you in the next one.